it's me again, Mamasita Nicoll. Of course, if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe after you watching my video. Yes! So today, I'm going to harvest my lemon tree in my backyard. Yes, before natin i-harvest guys, i-share ko muna sa inyo kung gaano ba laki yung lemon tree ko. So anyway, let's go! So guys, we are here already in outside. It's really nice day today. Yes. And this is my lemon tree. Ayan, it's not really big tree, but a lot of lemon in there. And this is my bucket. So when we harvest, I just put my lemon in there. So ito yung lemon natin guys. Look at that. Looks really small in the camera, but in person, it's really big. And this is perfect time to harvest today because it's really nice day and they are really big. Look at that. And they have some flowers also. Another flowers for another month is gonna be blossom. Tulungan nyo ako guys para mabilis tayo. Ayan. My lemons is bigger than yours, ha? Just kidding. Ayan, let's start na guys. Ang hangin guys, super lakas ng hangin dito. Ang lamig pa din. Ayan guys, natusok ako sa kitay. Sakit ng kamay ko, natusok ako. So, ito yung first bucket natin guys. Ilagay ko muna doon sa bahay para makakuha naman tayo for second bucket. Ganun. So, this is my first bucket and it still have more in there. So, we need to take it all. So guys, still have left on the tree. Some is not ready yet to take it off and some is hard to get in there. So guys, somebody help me to get in this lemon tree. Our second bucket guys. Now we add another bucket in here para makita natin kung gaano karami yung na-harvest ko today. Ayan, fresh na fresh from the farm guys. Tingnan nyo naman yan. Diba? Ayan guys, for sale lemon tree. If you want, just call me. Charot! Hello again, I'm back! So I'm done harvesting my lemon tree, but not all. Because some is not ready yet and some also is hard to take it. Kasi guys, natusok talaga ako, no? Masakit talaga tusukin talaga, no? So, kaya, yung kaya ko lang makuha, yun lang ang dapat kong kunin. Ganon, wag mong i-force yung sarili mo pag hindi na. Ganon, kapareha lang yan ng pagmamahal. Wag mong i-force yung sarili mo pag ayaw na niya. So anyway, ipakita ko na sa inyo yung lemon tree natin. Kasi dalawang bakit po yung na-harvest ko. And excited na ba kayo guys kung gaano karami? Gaano karami, no? So, i-share ko na sa inyo. So, this is all I harvest for 2 buckets. I can make margarita, lemonade, of course. That really sounds good, guys. And do you want some?
So, ayan na guys. Since i-premiere kong video na ito, mag-shoutout tayo, okay? Mega shoutout dyan kay Lorena TV. Mega shoutout din kay GCBL GT. And mega shoutout for Kuya GV TV. And mega shoutout kay Kuya Season PH TV. And kay mega shoutout din kay D. Walters. Ayan. At saka mega shoutout dahil kay Inday Pangga TV. And mega shoutout sa inyong lahat kung sino man kayo at kung nandito man kayo sa premiere ko. Mega shoutout po sa inyong lahat and God bless you po. Ayan. So anyway, thanks for watching and like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're always updated for my new video. Bye guys and God bless us.